Okay, this is Playpiece 105, my Lego Pokemons. Made that one up, made this one up, and I made this one up. This one's Regigigas, isn't good. And this is my Coffingus. Now to show you my Pokemon cards. I have Drifblim, Frontier Brains Pokemon, Lunatone, yeah, Gurdurr, Affirmage, Croc, Sandile. You see, this is just in case you didn't see Croc. Might have not seen it. This is Croc. 90 HP. Yes. Dark Charizard, Gothita, Servine, Palitoad, Solpede, Whirlipede, Venipede, Snivy, Golem, my best Wailord, Wailmer, Rottol, Gloom, Tranquil, Rodrola, Sandslash, Pidove, Solaces, Dujon, Dark Primate, Misty Sara, Dugtrio, Loomis, Rhydon, Dark Charmeleon, Misty's Poliwhirl, Diglett, Fake Charmander, my own Charmander, Water Energy, Rattata, Alomala, Psychic Energy, Grass Energy, Charmeleon, Dugtrio, that's it. And remember I said my best Wailord, never trading. Okay, so before I go, I'd like to say that I need more Pokemon cards and I try and get them. But if anyone needs a different present, I'm in Wales. I'm number 26, which is by the fan by Spa. And 26 different presents. If you live anywhere near, well, you could just knock for me or something. So goodbye and adios.